Today I'm going to show you how to install Claude Code in Windows, and one of the requirement is that you must have Git installed. I've already made one video how to install Git within 5 minutes. You can watch it. I will share the link in the description. In Google, you have to type Claude Code and press enter. Then you can scroll down and then you can click on this link, Quick Start Claude Code Docs. Once you open on this page, you will scroll down, install Claude Code, and if you are on Mac, Linux or WSL, you can copy this link, and we want to download it for Windows, so we have to click this link, we have to copy it from here. Now open your PowerShell. In search, you will type PowerShell here, then just right click and press enter. The installation will start now. Let's wait. It can take a few minutes to finish the setup. The installation has started. You can see setting up Claude Code. Claude Code successfully installed. Setup nodes, installation complete. And here you can see. So if I write here Claude help, I should get some error because this is not set in the environment variable. It says that you have to go to system properties and then you have to do this setup in the environment variable. So let's do that. I will click here in the search and then edit the environment variables. And before that, I will copy this path from here. Now I will click here, click on this environment variables. Then you have to come here on the system variables because you see it is talking about system properties. This is user variable and this is system variable. Then you have to click on this path, click on this edit and click on this new one. Just paste it here. I have copied something wrong. I have to copy this. So let me do the copy again. And I'll go here again, click on this new and I will paste it. Then you have to click on this OK, again OK, and again you have to click on OK, and I will close this PowerShell. Now I'll open a new one, Windows PowerShell, and now I'll type here Claude help. I should get the results now, so let's wait. Okay, so it is now set up. These are the commands that you can use and that will help you. You can also type this Claude here to start it. So it has started. It will ask you to do some selection, choose the text style that looks best with your terminal. So I'll just click on this dark mode. Okay. Now this is the main page. So if you have an account on Claude, you can click on this one number and then go and check your API keys and do the subscription. Otherwise, you can create your new account from here, or if you want to use some third-party platforms like Amazon Bedrock or Microsoft Foundry, Vertex AI, you can do this from here. Since I don't have any account anywhere in cloud, so I'll just leave it here. You just have to set up your account, whatever account you already have, and then you can start using your Claude Code. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.